Today I am going to start off my locks and start my lock journey. Keep watching.
I've been waiting, anticipating. Do you even know what I really wanna do to you? Contemplating and relating, body satiated. Oh, falling and falling, falling and falling, falling and falling, falling and falling, falling and falling.
It's gonna take me a while, but I am determined to get finished today. So the products I am going to be using is the Afro Sheen Lush for butter, and this is the texture that it is. It's a butter texture, but it feels a little bit different from most butters that I'm used to using. And I am going to use the Nettle and Flax seed hair cream from the Complx line from their Nuvo. I'm going to use both of those, but I'm mainly going to use this on my roots and this on my hair. And we'll see how that goes. First, I need to part my hair, figure out how I want to do that. I'm thinking about just going straight back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna go all the way to the back. I'm gonna go straight, because I'm gonna have 3 sections, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. So first, I'm gonna go down the middle. You know what? Let me put my glasses on because I don't need any mistakes right now. Okay. And my hair is still moisturized from the other day when I washed it. Boom. Now I'm gonna part this section. Frustrated already. I'm so frustrated. I'm like, alright, let me start this first side. Alright, I'm gonna grab some of this butter so I can see my parts a whole lot better. Girl. Because the reason I'm using this is because it kind of slick your hair a little bit, but mainly because I just don't like using gel on my hair unless I should let this melt some, but I don't like using gel on my hair unless I'm doing a slick style, and I don't know. All right. This one I like dealing with them like okay. It smells so good. Alright. Now I'm gonna take this part. I'm gonna take this part and split this into maybe 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do 3. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Let's see how this goes. All right. Now, I'm about to open up my cream. My hands. Greasy. There you go. Oh, it smells so minty. It's real thick. So, if you like thick products, I suggest picking it up. That was a good smell, strong. It's not like bad or anything. I can see y'all. This will be my first one. See, they do have like Afro Sheen has like a styling cream that does slick your hair a lot. That's what I should have picked up. I was just really thinking. I think this is too small. You can barely tell it's twisted. It's so small. But I think over time it's gonna get thicker. So I'm not gonna concern myself with it too much as of right now. I'm just gonna do it how I normally do my twist and see how it goes. We're learning together over here. Okay. Split this. Do those two. We gonna see. That's all I keep saying is we gonna see. I might not even eat that hair butter, honestly. I don't know. Always do this. Just let it. See how shrinkage is? Look at that comparison. But it's not the shrink up, give it time. It don't take long. You know what? This is the size I want. This is the size I want. I saw I chose a product that I would be okay with being locked in my hair. So as far as maintenance, I probably won't put any product on my hair. I'll probably just spray it with water and just let it do its thing, to be honest. Need to put a little bit of cream on because it's getting a little dry. I do need to kind of keep up. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do a lock count, but not right now. I'm just trying to get it done right now. I'll do a lock count probably in a couple of days after I've been do this, and I have it in the description block. Description block. Where's the description? Description block. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's so little, y'all. Ooh. But I'm okay with it. Because that's the size I wanted. I just didn't think I was going to be able to really just achieve this. That's like for real. Okay.
Baby girl got some. She the one, keep the thing jumping. You know what it is, you know what it is. If you feel it sick, she the medicine. She don't care what you say. Better get out the way. She ain't gonna waste no time. Hey, shorty got the code to the safe. Got a mind full of gold, take that to the bank. Like, she got everything that it takes. She won't let the day go to waste. She could put a king in his place, but she still got so much grace. The girl so bad, but she's so good. All the other girls like I wish I could. All the other girls say they wish they could be just like.
Okay, so I finished the front. I like how they came out. I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back. You can't see it, but I got this big old puff back here to finish. So keep watching, and I'm gonna get to the back. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break first. Okay, y'all, so it's been a long process, but I am finally finished. I love the outcome. I'm trying to see. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet, but I love them. I feel great about it. This side of my hair is actually, let me see, can I find my little part again? But this side of my hair is actually thinner than this side, and my curl pattern is different. So I try to make my twist look the same as possible, but the sides is pretty much the same. The back, I wish I could have done better on the back. I wish I could have gripped it better, but it's kind of hard to reach and do all that. But I actually like the back. And oh yeah, the back is a different curl pattern as well. And the middle of the back of my head, y'all, is so thick. So my twist look a little but y'all, I still like it. This is a back view. Just a quick little back view. They hanging good. Like, I like the ends of them. Everything look good to me. So I'm happy. I'm good. Ready to start this lock journey. I'm gonna take y'all on with me. So thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you came. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. And Madonna bottom every man, I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gems y'all need. I've been working on this body for the beach all winter. Yoga and Pilates, watch me keep my figure snap back like Beyonce, kill the beats like Jigga.